Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, following much deliberation, this year's staging of the Jamaica International Invitational Track and Field Meet has been officially cancelled. Jermaine Brown reports.
The 16th staging of the Jamaica International Invitational Meet was originally scheduled for Saturday, May 2 at the National Stadium in Kingston, but was postponed in March due to the COVID-19 pandemic. J3A's president, Dr. Warren Blake, had told TVJ Sports in June that the association was still hoping to stage the meet in September. But it's understood that logistical setbacks caused from the COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in the meet being officially shelved for 2020.
Even though Jamaica had opened back up, the quarantine restrictions that were being placed on visitors to the island was such that it would mean that anybody coming here for international competition would have to remain quarantined for longer than the period of competition than they would want to come into the island for, which would really negate us having any significant overseas input, because for people to come in to take part in gym, they would have had to be present in the island for 2 weeks before being able to interact with other people.
Dr. Blake also added that the revised time period to stage the meet did not work in their favor.
You do also need a lead time of a few months to prepare. And 3 months ago, we saw no end in sight of a pandemic to be able to successfully host gym in the window that we had been given for September. So we took a decision to cancel this year's meet.
After also being cancelled in 2019 due to a lack of funding, the meet was set to make a return this year as part of the new World Athletics Continental Series, which replaced the World Challenge Series as the second tier of competition under the Diamond League. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.